equation 3, the section shown in the figure is reinforced with
820 mm diameter bars.
how far is the geometric centroid from the
Left face.
Yan. Pag sinabi natin geometric centroid, ito yung centroid mismo ng shape ng cross-section.
Hindi muna natin i-consider yung effect ng mga reinforcements.
So, pwede natin siyang i-divide into 3 rectangles para madaling compute. So, ang reference na sinabi is from the left face. So, pag nag-moment tayo, sa left face magmo-moment. So, by Varignon's theorem, the moment of the parts is equal to the moment of the whole. So, identify natin ang mga dimension, 100 by
300. This is
200 by 100. And then this is 150 by
400.
Sige, moment tayo dito. For the first area, ang area niya is 300 times 100. Gaano kalayo yung centroid niya papunta sa reference?
That is 50 mm.
Kasi 100 over 2 lang. Next, yung rectangle sa gitna, ang area is 100 by 200. Gaano kalayo ang centroid papunta sa reference? That is 200 over 2 kasi kalahati niya ito. Plus 100 of course para makarating dito sa reference. Last is yung 150 by 400. So gaano kalayo ang centroid papunta sa reference? That is 150 over 2 plus 200
plus 100.
Okay, ito na yung moment ng parts. By Varignon's theorem, sabi ang moment ng parts equals sa moment ng whole cross-section. Ang whole cross-section natin is 100 times 300 plus 100 times
200
plus 150 times 400. Times natin yan sa moment arm na,
let's say x sub left.
ang distance ng centroid from the left
Is 254.55 millimeters. That is letter A.
How far is the plastic centroid from the right? Pag sinabi kasing plastic centroid, it has something to do with the strength of the materials. So we have to consider na yung FC prime tsaka FY na 420. Kanina, kinonsider lang natin is yung shape, no? Kinoconsider lang natin na buong concrete siya. But this time,
kailangan na natin i-consider yung reinforcements.
So kung kanina ang minomoment natin ay area, this time, ang imo-moment naman natin ay mga forces. Okay, so this time forces na ang imo-moment natin. So ang question is, how far is the plastic centroid from the right face? So kung right face ang sinabi, yan ang gawin nating reference. So unahin muna natin yung moment ng forces sa concrete. Concrete muna, no? So i-consider muna natin na walang butas yung concrete. So paano siya magiging force? E di yung area, sa times lang natin ng stress. 100 by 300. Ito yung area ng concrete na nandito sa left part. Area yan, para maging force, ita-times natin ng stress. Moment arm, gano'n siya kalayo sa reference natin? 100 over 2 plus
200 plus 150.
So, ito na yung moment ng area. Para maging moment ng force, ita-times natin ng stress, which is 0.85 of FC prime. Yung moment naman ng rectangle
na nasa gitna,
100 by 200.
moment arm is 200 over 2 plus 150.
Para maging moment ng force,
Times natin yan ng 0.85 of FC prime.
Ito naman, yung nasa dulo.
150
By 400, gaano kalayo yung
centroid of the rectangle from the reference line? That is 150 over 2. Para maging moment, i-times natin ng 0.85 of FC prime.
ito na yung moment ng mga concrete. Next naman is yung moment ng mga
Steel reinforcements. Sa left side,
tatlong bakal ng steel
3 pi over 4, 20 squared.
times moment arm muna. Gaano siya kalayo sa reference line? So, nasa gitna ito.
We have 50 plus 200 plus 150.
Para maging moment ng force, times natin sa Fy. Pero, para ma-consider natin yung effect ng butas, kasi kanina, tignan nyo, yung concrete natin, kinonsider natin na buo. 100 by 300, 100 by 200, 150 by 400. So, para ma-consider mo yung effect ng butas, kailangan yung stress ng steel, babawasan mo ng stress ng concrete.
0.85 FC prime.
Okay, nagawa na natin to before, di ba? Yung nagma-minus ng isa or ng stress. Okay, next. Moment naman nung mga steel reinforcement sa right side. 5 pi over 4
times 20 squared.
Gano'n siya kalayo sa right side?
75 millimeters.
Times 420 minus
0.85 FC prime.
yan na yung moment nung lahat. By Varignon's theorem, no? Equal dapat yan sa moment nung buo. So meaning, consider na natin yung buong cross-section. 100 by 300. 100 by 200.
Plus 150 by 400.
So area lang to para maging force.
Times natin ng 0.85 FC prime.
Plus, of course, concrete pa lang yan. Kailangan natin consider din yung
Steel.
so 8 na 20. Ang stress is 420. Babawasan natin ng 0.85 ng FC prime. So ito ngayon yung moment ng buong cross-section. Ita-times natin to ng
X sub P.
pindutin muna natin lahat ng nasa left side. Compute ko yung total force. Ito na yung location ng plastic centroid.
From the right. X sub P equals 195.7820999. And that is letter A.
X, determine the moment M sub U induced by an actual load P sub U of 811 kilonewton applied
From the left face of the section.
So, ang moment induced class, that is simply the load
Times the eccentricity. Eccentricity is the distance from the point of application of the load towards the plastic centroid.
So, ang sabi sa problem, ang application daw ng force ay 500 mm.
From the left face.
So, nandito yung load, no? Kasi 500 mm eh.
From the left face.
So, 450 na to eh, yung total width ng ating cross-section. So, ang distance niya dito from the right face is
50 millimeters.
nandyan daw yung point of application. Eh, yung plastic centroid natin, nandito at a distance of 190.
5.
Sabi natin, ang moment is simply the force, 111.
Times the eccentricity.
The eccentricity is the distance from the point of application
Papuntang plastic centroid. That is 195.78 plus 50 millimeters.
Divide na lang natin to ng 1,000 kasi para maging meter. Therefore,
M sub U is equal to
199.
0.329 kilonewton meter. And that is letter A.